How to remove login info on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first locate your Instagram application and then open it. Now tap on your profile icon. Then simply go to the menu bar and then log out. After logging out, you might be seeing that you are now logged into another account if you already have a new account. But if you do not want to save the login info on your Instagram, tap on this three dot, then go to remove profiles from this device, then select the profile that you want to remove, then tap on remove, and then the next time you want to log into this account, you will have to enter your username and password and your login credentials. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.